Hello, welcome to everyone. We are discussed about about two problems applications based on the solving simultaneous equations, which is one is quadratic equation and one is linear equation. Let's read the question. A cuboid has sides of length 5 centimeter, x centimeter, and y centimeter. Given that x plus y is equal to 20.5 and the volume of the cuboid is 360 centimeter cube. Find the value of x and y. They are given the sides of the cuboids as 5xy, that is 5x and y. And they are giving the value of x plus y as 20.5. And then volume of the cuboids also they are given, but we need to find x and y. First of all, we are going to create the equation for volume of the cuboid. What's the formula for volume of cuboid? It's length, breadth, height. That is 5xy. Okay. So 5xy is equal to 360 centimeter square cube, and we can write x plus y equal to 20.5 in terms of y is equal to x. Y is equal to times of x, like 20.5 minus x. Yes, look at this. Then we can substitute 20.5 minus x for y in volume equation. Okay. Then we can distribute 5x with 20.5 and minus x. Before that, we can multiply by 10. Why do we need to multiply by 10? Because 20.5 has a decimal place before one digit. Okay. So that to remove that decimal point, we can multiply that through the equation by 10. And then we have to distribute 50x with 20.5 and minus x. We can get the following. Then we can keep 50x squared and 1025x in that other side, and we can make the quadratic equation. Then we can divide this equation by 5. We can get 10x squared minus 205x plus 720 equal to 0. Okay. Now we are in the position to solve this quadratic equations. So before that we have to find two numbers whose multiplication is 7200 and whose addition is minus 205. Initially we can factorize this. We can factorize by 3. We can divide by 3. We can get 2 3s are 6, balance 1, 6, 4 3s are 12, 0, 0. And then also 3, 8 3s are 21, 0, 0. Then we can divide by 5. 1 5s are 5. 1 minute. 1 5s are 5. And balance 3. 6 5s are 30 and 0 remains 0. So we can write this like 5 3s are 15, 15 3s are 45 and 160. And 45 plus 160 is 205, right? So we can split the middle term as minus 45x and minus 160x, and we can take common out 10x from first two numbers and negative 160 from next two numbers, and we can get 10x minus 160 times x minus 4.5 equal to 0. Then use the zero product rule. We can get like this, and then x is equal to 16 and x is equal to 4.5. Then when substitute x is equal to 16 in x plus y equal to 20.5, we can get y value as 4.5, and we can substitute x is equal to 4.5 in y equal to 20.5 minus x, we can get as the answer of y as 16. So the other dimension, that is value of x and y, is either 16 or 4.5 respectively. Okay. As the unit of size of the cuboid is centimeter, we can include the centimeter in the answer script. Okay. Shall we move on to the second question? Yeah. The sum of the circumference of the two circles. They are given as two circles. What's the circumference formula? Circumference formula is 2 pi r. And area formula is pi r square. So using this formula, we can write like this. Sum of the circumference of the two circles is 36.5 and the area is 175. First, we have to frame the equation like that. 2 pi r is first circle radius is x and second circle is y. 2 pi x plus 2 pi y and 2 pi can be written common. So 2 pi times x plus y equal to 36 pi. Then similarly for the radius, pi times x square. Then pi and pi get cancel each other. We can get us 2 times x plus y equal to 36. Then we can write x plus y equal to 18 and we can come to this radius part. Pi cancel, x squared plus y squared equal to 170. We know that the formula of x plus y whole squared equal to x squared plus y squared plus 2xy. So we have 2x squared plus y squared. So we can subtract 2xy on both sides to get this expression. So we can substitute that value. Then x plus y, we know that 18. So 18 whole square minus 2xy equals this 170. And then, 1 minute, we can find the 18 square value. And then we can rearrange the terms and we can get 2xy equal to 154 and xy is 77. Just we can check whether 18 square minus 170 is 154. How can we put in a easy way without any calculator? 18 square, we can write like this, 20 minus 2 square for the easy way. Then 20 minus 2 times 20 minus 2, 20 times 20, 400. Then minus 4 times 20, then plus 4. Sorry, 4 times 2ab. Yes, correct. So 400 minus 80 plus 4. Mm, how can we write 404 under minus 80? So this is 320. 320 plus 4, 324. Then we have to subtract 324 and this 170. 4, this 12 minus 7, 5, 154. So we can get this value as 154 and we can divide the 2 on both sides. We can get 77. So now what can we do? Xy is 77. We have to substitute xy is equal to 77 and we have the equation as xy equals 77 and x plus y equals 18 and we can rearrange the second equation into y is equal to 18 minus x and then substitute this into the first equation and we can distribute x with 18 and minus x and then we can rearrange the equations as like x squared minus 18x plus 77. We can split the middle term as minus 11x and minus 7x and we can take the common terms and at last we can get the 7 and 11. So radius of the two circle is, sorry, typo, two circle is 11 and 7 centimeter. Okay. So you need to check? We can check. How can we? Suppose 2 pi r is a 2 pi 11 plus 7. Then 2 pi 18. 18 times 2 is 36. So that is the circumference we are given with. Then if we need 2 pi r square. So 11 squared is 121 and 7 sevens are 49. By adding this 9 plus 1 10 and 2 plus 4 6, balance on 7, so 175. That's all. We can check like the way whether our equations answer is correct or not. Okay, thank you.